Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase wallet on PC. First, open your web browser and search for the Coinbase wallet extension. Once found, add it to your browser. You'll then be prompted to either create a brand new wallet or import one you already own. Remember, this wallet is distinct from your main Coinbase exchange account. Security is paramount for your digital assets. Immediately after setup, you will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access. Also, activate two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Now that your wallet is secure, let's talk about funding it. You can seamlessly transfer cryptocurrencies from your Coinbase exchange account directly to your wallet. To send or receive assets, simply use your unique wallet address. Always double-check transaction details, including any network fees, before you confirm to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. Coinbase Wallet offers more than just storage. It's a gateway to the decentralized web. You can connect your wallet to various decentralized applications, often called dApps, and explore the world of DeFi. It also supports NFTs and other digital collectibles. If you ever encounter questions or need assistance, remember that comprehensive support resources are readily available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.